Hello friends, how are you today? We are opening our Bluetooth device. Look friends, this is not working properly. First of all, we check how we will open it. Okay, see around this. We can't open it. So first of all, look at this. We need to bring up this seal. You can do this with any type, anything which is like a knife. Okay, we are opening. Be careful during this. Switch off the device. And we open. Same like this. Now look, screws are inside. You should open very carefully. Same this side. And this. No. So check. It's speaker fault. Look at the bottom of the circuit. You can see the wire is break. Check this. Black one wire is break. This is its first part and this is second. This is breaker. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.